नमस्कार आप सभी को. So this video basically it is not related to any of yogic practices या yogic philosophy or any naturopathy subject. So I just wanted to share some very important information with all of you, जितने भी सुनने वाले हैं, everybody, कि since beginning from last many years, 20-23 years हो चुके हैं. So since beginning many people were asking me, or they have asked me कि is there any book where we can have a reference or where we can refer कि what exactly is the yogic therapy, किस तरह से काम करता है, how it works, what are the different aspects of yoga therapy, and then on what are principles this yoga therapy works. Many people, many of my patients, they ask me about what exactly is naturopathy. Even though we all qualified people, we know what is naturopathy, but for a normal person, for a layman, what he can expect from the naturopathy. So after many years and with blessings of my parents and with the support of my institution, I can say that now we have come up with a book. We have published this book, and this book was released in our national conference in LONAVLA. So, and you will see this book was released by Honorable President of India. So I just want to give you an overview of this book, what you can expect from this book, and what you can, how you can utilize this book. So I want to show you कि इस book में क्या है, इस किताब में क्या है. So this is the book. You can see this is the book. Now I will tell you part by part what all things you can expect in the book. So in the contents, it starts with the principles of naturopathy. So we all know what are the principles of naturopathy, but definitely when our patients ask whether you have got any small book where we can refer when we go home, what are the principles of yoga therapy. So we have studied about the yoga therapy, and we follow also yoga therapy. But if you want more details about yoga therapy, or if you want your patients to follow that without any problem, so that is explained in this. Then I have listed some diseases also. So what I have tried is, I have tried to list some important diseases which can be easily managed with the help of yoga therapy along with the other modalities, if you integrate with the other modalities. So what all diseases you can expect in this book. So the diseases like obesity, sinusitis, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, migraine, IBS, hypothyroid, hypolipidemia, diabetes mellitus, constipation, lumbar spondylosis, back pain, bronchial asthma, hypertension, and stress. So these are the different basic diseases which I have tried to give in this book. And this book will be very helpful for the patients, those who want to lead a very healthy life following the naturopathy and yoga therapy modalities along with the diet part. So this book is must for everybody. So then basically when we talk about principles of naturopathy, so we know very well what is health, what is disease, what are the different dimensions of the health, what are the causes of disease according to naturopathy, what are the basic principles on which naturopathy works, and then different branches of naturopathy. So naturopathy, what it is a system where you don't use any medicine, you don't use any chemicals basically. So by using the natural modalities, how you can heal yourself, how you can assist your body in the healing. So in brief, you get the information about what is massage, what is acupuncture, what is fasting, what is chromotherapy, diet therapy, then different types of diet which yoga also follows and naturopathy also follows. So about that is explained in the book. Then fasting. Now fasting is one of the methods where people in India basically, we have out of 365 days, we have more than 700 different types of important festivals. So every day we have at least 2 to 3 festivals, and every day we can fast, but that is a religious type of fasting. Now when you talk about the therapeutic fasting, अगर आप therapeutic fasting की बात करते हैं जो आपके शरीर के स्वस्थ रहने के लिए ज़रूरी है, तो you have to follow this text. So this text give you an overview about the fasting ki what are the different types of fasting, how it can be done. Definitely I don't recommend that you read the book and directly start the fasting. मैं बिल्कुल नहीं चाहता ये चीज़. अगर आपको कुछ भी करना है, you can contact me, I will guide you. Then benefits of fasting. Massage. What is the purpose of massage? What are the different techniques of massage? What are the benefits of massage? तो मसाज सिर्फ लेना जरूरी नहीं है. We have to understand the importance of massage. So this is in brief about the naturopathy. At least you will know, suppose you are going to any naturopathy center, तो आपको पता होगा कि which treatment you are taking and what all benefits you can avail from that treatment. Then comes the principles of yoga therapy. Now principles of yoga therapy, we have different schools in India, but we all know very well that yoga therapy, the explanation of yoga therapy starts somewhere in the time of Lord Rama. And that is the text which we have, Yoga Vashisht, where we get the information about the Vyadhis, Adija Vyadhis, Anadija Vyadhis, all that concept. So in detail about that, and then its integration with the Panchkosha theory. Now, what are the different stages of disease according to yoga? So psychic stage to somatic, psychosomatic, all those details, how it is linked, how one gets disease and how you can come out from that. So that is also very, very important part. So what are the different applications of yoga therapy? Then what are the main principles which form the basis of yoga therapy? These things are not given in any text till now. So what I have tried to compile my teachings, whatever I give in my lectures in this book. So you get a complete information about yoga therapy also. Then how yoga therapy basically works on the chitta vritti nirodha, because the physiological aspect of yoga, so chitta vritti nirodha, chitta prasadanam, chitta vikshepas, kleshas, how chitta vikshepas, kleshas can be disintegrated or completely removed when you work on the chitta vrittis, and Chitta Prasadanam, what are this Chitta Prasadanam, how to develop it, all those things are explained in this. And after that, how to control your mind, how to do the meditation, what happens with that, and what all different other techniques are there which can help you in that. So then I have tried to give you information about integrated approach of yoga therapy. So how yoga therapy basically works at Annamaya Kosha level, what all things are important, and how Annamaya Kosha has to be balanced, how musculoskeletal system has to be balanced, why it is supposed to be balanced properly, what is its impact on the Pranamaya Kosha or the pranic body or the physiological body. So what all different practices can be done. Then applications of yoga on Manomaya Kosha or the mental body, and Vijnanamaya Kosha. So this is the place where Chitta Vikshepas and Kleshas they come. So how this kleshas, chitta vikshepas can be totally controlled or totally disintegrated so that we can maintain a normal life. So I have tried to give in detail about these panchkoshas and what all aspects are there and how to apply the yoga aspect in this panchkoshas is also explained in the book. So basically importance of asanas on different systems, pranayamas on different systems, different types of meditations, even though you don't find the techniques of meditation in this book, which you can get in my next book, which is coming on chakra meditation. So even that will be available very soon for you people. But this book gives you complete information about Vayus, Panch Vayus, Panch Pranas, Upapranas, meditation techniques. Then at the Jnanamaya Kosha or intellectual level, what all practices are supposed to be done so that all your Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha and Vijnanamaya Kosha can be balanced, so that you can be in the state of Anandamaya Kosha or bliss body. So complete detail is explained in this textbook. And then I have tried to make a bridge, or I have tried to integrate yoga and naturopathy, because what I feel, naturopathy and yoga as a system, if you think this is a system of healing, is the oldest system on the planet, because yoga, we cannot exactly give a date when it started. And nature, the time nature was created by the creator, from that time nature has started its healing, and after that only every other thing has come out. So yoga and naturopathy is the system which has given the footing or foundation to all other Indian system of medicine, and other systems could grow because nature and yoga things were there, practices were there. So what is the bridge and how it can be integrated? So suppose you want to do yoga therapy, what all practices you are supposed to do in hypertension? So those things are given in the book very specifically, categorically. It is very specifically given ki what all asana is supposed to be done, what all pranayama is supposed to be done, what all meditation is supposed to be done, what all diet has to be followed. Everything is given in this book. And suppose you want further more information and guidance properly, definitely I am available. You can definitely write a mail to me, or you can you can definitely send me a message. And after information of all these things about naturopathy and yoga therapy, then starts my management part. Now this management part is totally based on the practices what I have done. It is not like I haven't followed anybody, because I haven't seen any text or any book till now which has given at least one reference like work. Nobody has done that. So what I have tried is, I have tried to explain the disease in a very simple form, then signs and symptoms, what all things are there in that disease, then the management part. So the management comes with the yoga therapy, naturopathy and the diet. So like this, all the informations are given in this book. So once again I will show you, so that you can see the book and you can definitely utilize this book. So what I want from all of you, why I am making this video is, even though it may look like a promotional video, but it is not a promotional video, because this is the book which I was planning from long ago, from last 10-15 years. So all my compilations of last 20 years I have written in the book. Definitely I know it is not a complete book, and no book can be completed because it has to be updated every time. So I want everybody to read this book, and after reading this book, definitely you can give your suggestions if you want any other diseases to be added in this, if you want any other treatments which are required in this. So all those suggestions also can be given to me, and in my next coming edition I will definitely try to incorporate all the things. Now along with this book, remember one more thing, two more books are in pipeline. The first is chakra meditation, because my chakra meditation workshops are based on that. So chakra meditation and samyam. So chakra meditation and samyam also is an integral part of yoga practices. So that book also is ready, and coming you will see one book which will be totally based on the anatomy, physiology, pathology, diagnostic methods and the management of yoga therapy with the allied sciences or alternative therapies of digestive system. So very soon that also will get published, but before that everybody should have this copy of Holistic Health. And this is written by a qualified professional. So Everybody should read it and try to keep it with you so that your health, your family's health also can be maintained.